Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is Tuesday, November 3rd. Hey, it's election day today. Hope you guys all turned your ballots in and voted. Pretty exciting news. We're going to talk about possibly having a new president in our country. Super exciting. On that note, think about this. When we have an election, we have a chance as just regular people to vote and help change our country. That's a pretty cool thing about America, and that makes me think I want to do the Pledge of Allegiance and say that, I actually care about America, and I think this is a good process we have. And so it'll be exciting to see how our election goes today. And on that note, let's go ahead and start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nicely done. You guys can go ahead and have a seat. Our virtue this week is thankfulness. You know what? I am thankful that it's election day and that I get to vote for our country. I'm thankful for a bunch of other stuff too. I'm thankful for that guitar that I told you about yesterday. Today, we're going to talk about other things in our life that we're thankful for. And I wouldn't be surprised if some of your classes already started talking about this yesterday. But you know what? My guitar, it's not really the most important thing in my life, though I really do like playing guitar. It's really fun. It's not the most important thing to me. So remember, this week we're talking about thankfulness, but we're also talking about this question that now you can see on the bottom of my screen. What happens when you are thankful? What kinds of good things happen to you? And we'll hear more about that later in the week from Mrs. Tickle. So this morning I want to talk about a different thing than yesterday. Yesterday we talked about, tell me something you're thankful for. And today I want you to talk about some people that you're thankful for. And I want to go first. So I want to tell you about some people that I am very thankful for. That's my family. That's Mrs. Wright and Reagan and Audrey. And that's when we were at the pumpkin patch a couple years ago. About this time of year, I'm super thankful for my family. I'm thankful for the love that they show me. I'm thankful for the fun times that we have together. I want you to think right now about some people that you are thankful for, and then I'm going to challenge you to tell your class, why are you thankful for that person? So if you're thankful for your mom, don't just say my mom, but say I'm thankful for my mom because, and then tell us a reason. If you're thankful for your teacher, I'm thankful for my teacher because, and then tell us the reason. So let us know some people that you're thankful for and why you are thankful for that person. Have a great day, Achieve.